Product summary: 3-channel 4K dash cam for cars, 4K plus 2.5K front and rear cabin, 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, triple car camera included, 64GB card with GPS and Wi-Fi wireless, IPS screen, 24-hour parking mode app, night vision WDR. Things: features: 1 UHD 3-channel dash cam for cars. The 3-channel dash cam can be set with 3 resolutions: Ultra HD front 4K plus rear 2.5K dual cam mode, Ultra HD front 4K plus cabin 1080p dual cam mode, front 2.5K plus rear 2.5K plus cabin 1080p 3-channel mode, which can record the images front and rear and inside the car at the same time. All-round protection of your driving, convenient forensics of unexpected accidents, and protection from potential liability issues. 2 built-in GPS and road cam app. The car dash cam 4K will record GPS coordinates, driving route and speed in real time and embed it in the video file, and allow the use of GX Player to play your driving track on the map. After your phone downloads road cam